Jack here from Past and Present Motor Cars, and behind me we have an exciting new arrival. Check this out. Follow me over here. Obvious to see, it's a cranberry red car, right? You can see that. If you can see the trim tag closely, it's a 75/75. That means cranberry red upper and lower, no vinyl top. Love it. It's got a 454 in it. It's a period correct 360 horse LS5 engine. It's got vintage air conditioning, and it doesn't just have it as a lot of these cars do. It works, it's cold air, it's awesome. It's got headers, it sounds great. You're gonna hear it in a minute. Follow me this way. It's got the correct 14-inch SS wheels. It's got the very desirable hood that everybody wants, the functional cowl induction hood. That is probably one of the most popular questions we get on these Chevelles. Then if you take a look inside, it's got bucket seats. Everybody loves the bucket seats. It's got buckets and console. This one's an automatic with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's got the SS Sport wheel, more modern radio, tack engages, so people love that tack being there. Just a really nice car. It's just finishing detail. Came out of the truck today. We got our new license plates. If you haven't seen them, they're now metal. I'm really excited about that. It's got the correct oval exhaust tips, like it should. Correct trunk emblem. I know this stuff seems silly, but a lot of these cars we find out there don't have the proper Chevelle stuff. We're gonna fix the glove box, but you got the glove box there. Got this beautiful black interior. You can see it's a highly restored car. And with that being said, I was gonna take it around the block. So how about if I jump in and do that, and you can catch it on our website at pastandpresentmotorcars.com. Beautiful looking thing.